What's up, folks? So I just got off the train now, exiting the train, metro, underground, rail in Shenzhen, China. What a beautiful place. What a beautiful city. So, as I exit here from line 11, this is one of the biggest exchange platform in Shenzhen. It connects to three metros going in different directions. And I'm looking for exit J. Where do I look? So if you come here, you will see that there's a big map of where you want to go to, and then there's D, F, J, C, B. These are the exit. Where should you go? I'm going to take exit F so that I go to the office that I'm going to. Okay, there we go. It's very big, it's very smart, it's very clean, it's very well maintained. Everyone is wearing a mask, and it's as clean, spotless as you can imagine, right? So here people come to connect to other different areas where they want to go to. Okay. This also connects to line 7 and line 9. And then I must proceed to exit J. There's a big clock here. You can look at the time. It's still in the morning, refreshing. Nice billboards, advertising. This is basically a big map. You can see where you want to go, where you want to exit the information. You can also read on the board which exit you want to go to. It's written in English and Chinese. This is basically the map of Shenzhen. So from here you can see how the underground railway network works. Okay, right, let's continue to exit J. Very big. One thing I like about living in this city is its peace, quiet and tranquility. It's magnificent buildings, all very, very modern. The place is clean, well maintained. There's visible security all over the place, and it's very, very clean, you know. That's what I like about living here. No pressure, no nothing. Just people going about doing their business, which is what it's supposed to be, right? That's what happens when there's a functional economy. Everything works smoothly. Right? Yes. Ever since I've lived here, I've never seen people pressuring to go into the metro. I've never seen people pressuring to take a bus. All I've seen and witnessed is orderly manner. Things done in a very orderly manner. Right, remember we are going to exit J, so I must keep walking. Currently we are underground, and on top there things are happening. There's a whole railroad network above us, and this whole underground metro rail system is happening here. It has been built for many, many years, and it's very efficient, smooth as always. All right. So this is exit J. I must exit here. Okay. Right. I've got my metro card here. I'll come here, and I'll scan. Opens. I exit. Okay. As I walk, continue to walk. Exit J. Okay. There's a security here, always visible. Okay. Exit J. Long walk to exit J. Okay. And we keep walking towards exit J. The good thing also about living in Shenzhen city is everything is written in English and Chinese. Very considerate. I don't have to worry myself I'm wondering, what does it say in Chinese? What? Because it's written. As I walk towards exit J, there are two exit points, exit J1 and exit J2. Okay? I will take J1 to the right. Yeah. Right. And here we go. Exiting from the underground railway system. Okay. Here we go. Right, this is what the activity outside is like. I just exited exit J1. Okay. So, as I was explaining earlier on, that the underground is a whole network system of metro trains running throughout. And just look at this. If you look here, you wouldn't know that I'm coming from underground with a deep network of trains all over the place and people connecting, going to other places. And right now there's activity going on top. The transport system is happening. The road transport system is happening, and at the same time underground the rail network system is happening. All right. So that's how it's built. That's how it's seamless. It's effortless, So when you actually walk in there, you actually wonder, and you get surprised by how the infrastructure is built to accommodate the people and just to make everything run smoothly. Okay. All right, your boy exiting. Ciao, I gotta go.